Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Math Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install lively wallpaper like this and any theme do you want to like to apply on your screen. First, you're gonna go to the start section and click on that Microsoft Store. First, you wanna click it. I already searched it. If you don't it and simply type live live. This is the app do you wanna do and download in this video. Simply click it. I already installed in my PC, that why it shows me to open that app. Okay, if you don't download or install in your PC, you're gonna not open. Have option for download or install. I already installed in my PC, so I gonna open that. Take a while. Okay, this is the interface of the lively wallpaper. That type of wallpaper, this 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 and this is the default wallpaper of lively. It always be in there of lively. If you want to install, if you install, it always be in there. But that type of wallpaper like this and this like this, if you want to install that type of wallpaper, simply go to the Google.com and type my sorry, my live wallpaper. Any character do you want to type in this section? I type Spider-Man. It shows you all the wallpaper related to Spider-Man. Okay, all the wallpapers. It's the one page and the other page. Okay, I want to install this wallpaper. Okay, simply scroll down, download this. Don't this because this is for mobile. Okay, and this is for desktop 31.4 MB and this size is 1 MB only. This is your PC resolution. Okay, simply click on download and start download. If you don't have internet download manager, it's simply download in your Google Chrome. Okay, and if you download from the Google Chrome, the video will be shown in your download section. Okay, I download from good internet download manager. I select the folder where it is found. Okay, that is the folder where all the videos my live wallpaper is shown. This is the video I install it and simply open. If you close it and wanna install open it again, simply click on that arrow and go to lively wallpaper and right click on it and simply open lively. Okay, open lively. Is the button you wanna add the wallpaper in lively. Simply press add wallpaper and simply drag it to me. Okay, drag it here and simply place. Don't really like write any description or author or website. Okay, simply click on OK. Take some while that shown in this green line come and this is your wallpaper. Okay, if you want any type of wallpaper, simply search it. I think moon night. That is a moon night wallpaper. Any wallpaper you wanna show and anything do you want to set on your computer. Okay? And you want to exit. If you take any help from my video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.